You will now see demonstrations of the PhoenixⅠ and PhoenixⅢ. PhoenixⅠ heats water using electromagnetic wave heating technology. The water temperature before heating is 27.5 degrees Celsius. The water temperature after heating is 29.5 degrees Celsius. The emissions rate is 26.9 liters per minute. The power consumption is approximately 4.5 kilowatts. You are now seeing the calorie output per kilowatt of the PhoenixⅠ. PhoenixⅢ heats water using electromagnetic induction heating technology. The water temperature before heating is 21 degrees Celsius. The water temperature after heating is 35.2 degrees Celsius. The emissions rate is 10.6 liters per minute. The power consumption is approximately 5.9 kilowatts. You are now seeing the calorie output per kilowatt of the PhoenixⅢ. You can also see demonstrations of PhoenixⅠ and PhoenixⅢ at the Ichikawa Lab Factory. Thank you for watching.